Are you working with a 3D design on your computer? You can easily turn your design into a 3D visual object. Convince your customers a boss and exchange views on improvements. Discover the benefits of 3D printing. Most companies still order 3D objects the traditional way. However, this process takes a long time and it costs a lot of money. From choosing the best manufacturer, to the ordering process, then there's the waiting for the production, until distribution. After waiting for weeks, your ordered object is delivered and can finally be used. You can forget all about this long traditional ordering process, because with a 3D printer, it doesn't take weeks, it just takes hours. How does it work? First, a design is created. The software makes printable layers. The 3D printer then melts the material and stacks the layers on top of one another, all ready to use. How about that? You can exchange views on improvements to a prototype, make that one custom-made component, or show your customers a scale model, and all in just a few hours. Whatever you want to use 3D printing for, with Felix printers, your idea becomes reality. Visit our website and discover how your company can benefit from 3D printing.